In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can upload on Instagram on your desktop. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and let's get right into it. So guys, if you wanted to upload on Instagram on your desktop PC or laptop or anything like that, and you obviously don't have the option for an upload on desktop, so I'll come over to my profile, and as you can see, there's no way you can upload on desktop on the main Instagram webpage. So start capturing and sharing your moments. You've got to download from the Apple Store or on Google Play. So if you wanted to go ahead and upload on your desktop, one of the workarounds for this is to go ahead and right click and click on inspect. And then what you will get is you will get this little option here. And as you can see, this is what it would look like usually. And if you come to this little icon that I've just clicked on before and go ahead and select that, what it does is it makes it look a bit like the mobile version, so you can scroll up and scroll down. But as you can see, there's still not an option to upload here. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and refresh the page. And then once you've refreshed the page, as you can see, I've got the official mobile version of Instagram. So I can go ahead and click on the upload button here, and I can start uploading anything I want from my desktop. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.